Hello everybody, hello. My voice is not up to speed today. It hurts to talk. But let's go ahead and do our remote job posting. This is the last week in February, the last few days. We're talking about CVS Health, the customer service rep position. Now I know you looked at the pay range, which is minimum $17 and maximum $27.90. So a little bit of what they need is a high school diploma or GED or equivalent experience. You need to be able to multitask to accomplish the workload efficiency. If you have an understanding of medical terminology, that is preferred but not required. Attention to detail and accuracy. And a little bit about them. They do not show if you need to be vaccinated. Let's see down here. It does not say that. Okay. They may still require it and just not have it on the website, or maybe they've done away with it. Anyways, a little bit about what you're going to be doing is you're the face of Aetna and impacts the member service experience. You're going to do things in a first call resolution so that people don't have to keep calling back. So you will be taking accountability to fully understand the member's needs by building a trusting and caring relationship with the member. And you'll need to answer any member questions they have is regarding to their plan details, benefit details, and member self-service tools. If you're interested in this job, click the link down below and then click on this red apply button, and I wish you the best of luck. My name is Becky, and I will see you next time.